we have to express the following as a multiple of its prime factors in power form. The first question is 2250. So what we do, come up with a table which will help us get the factors. So we have 2250, that's the first question. The least prime factor that can divide this is 2, which divides it 1125 times. Then this 1125 times, this 1125 can be divided by 3 as the next prime factor that can divide that number, which divides it 375 times. You realize that 3 can still divide the 75, so we take 3 here, which divides this one 125 times. Now 3 cannot divide this number, so we go to the next prime number, which is 5. Realize 5 divides this one, so we can write 5 here, and it divides this one 25 times. Now 5 can still divide this number, so we write 5 here, and it divides this one 5 times. Then 5 will divide this 5 once. 5 will divide this one once. So we have exhausted the prime factors, which are for 2250. So we shall now say 2250 is equal to, how many 2's do we have? We have 1, 2. So we shall have 2 raised to power 1 times, how many 3's do we have? 1, 2. So times 3 squared. Then how many 5's do we have? 1, 2, 3. So that means times 5 raised to power 3. The powers correspond to the number of times the prime factor appears. The second question is 129,600. The least prime factor that can divide this is 2. So we write 2 here, which divides it 64,800 times. Then 2 can still divide this, so we write 2 here, which divides this one 32,400 times. Then you realize 2 can still divide this, so you write 2 here, and it divides here 16,200 times. Then 2 can still divide this, so we write 2 here. It divides this 8,100 times. 2 can still divide this, so you write 2, and it divides here 4,050. 2 can still divide here, so we write 2 here. That divides it 25 times. Now 2 cannot divide this number, so we go to the next number, which is 3, and it divides this one 675 times. Then you realize 3 can still divide this, so we write 3 here, which divides it 25 times. Then you realize 2 can still divide it, so we write, 3 can still divide it, so we write 3 here, which divides it 75 times. Still 3 can divide this, so we write 3 here, and it divides this 25 times. Then 3 cannot divide it. 3 cannot divide 25, so we go to the next prime number which can divide this one, which is 5, so we write 5 here. 5 divides this one 5 times, so we write 5 down here. Then 5 can also be divided by 5, so we write 5 here as the prime number that can divide this, so we write 5 here, and it divides it once. So these are the prime factors of 129,600. So we shall say 129,600 is equal to, how many 2's did we get? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we shall have 2 raised to power 6 times, how many 3's did we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So times 3 raised to power 4. Then times how many 5's? 1, 2, 5 squared. So that is how we write 129,600 as a multiple of its prime factors. Thank you.